What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is going to be a fun one. We are going to Cars and Crafts car meet at St. Paul Brewing. It's going to be an amazing time. A lot of sweet cars there. My buddy Kyle's got his Infiniti in there. So yeah, we're going to get there a little early, try to make sure we can get a parking spot in the lot next door. It says we will be there at about 5:27, and it's supposed to start at 6, so stay tuned. Peace. This place is an absolute madhouse. Hasn't even started yet. I had to pay 10 bucks to park across the street. The lot's full. So many sick cars here. This is gonna be dope.